The world is in the midst of an energy transition to eliminate the need for fossil fuels. Sun and wind are set to become our major energy sources. However, they do not always produce energy at the times when we need it. The big challenge is storing this energy for later use. Hydrogen can provide the solution to this challenge. With solar and wind power, we can produce gaseous hydrogen. This can then be stored in pressurized vessels and later consumed by fuel cells to produce electricity on demand. Take garbage collection. Refuse trucks operate in densely populated areas throughout the day, producing noise and polluting the air. City councils wish to improve the air quality in cities and are turning to electric transport as a solution. However, the problem is that most battery electric vehicles have a limited range and recharging the batteries takes time. Hydrogen-electric hybrid trucks are our answer to this problem. Power, range and refueling time of our vehicles are fully comparable to vehicles with a conventional combustion engine. However, our vehicles drive on a fully electric powertrain and hence have no emissions and are much less noisy. How does it work? A fully electric powertrain that allows the vehicle to drive silently and without harmful emissions. Then a hydrogen range extender is added, a fuel cell and a hydrogen tank. The fuel cell is in fact a small power plant where hydrogen is combined with oxygen. As a result, we get electricity. This electricity maintains the battery energy. The batteries are charged while the truck is driving. The trucks do not need to be plugged in to charge the batteries, and refueling with hydrogen takes as little time as refueling with diesel or petrol. The end result is that our vehicles drive around all day with pure water as their only emissions and producing little or no noise. And so we contribute to quieter, cleaner and pollution-free cities.